Hi, Brian, Legit Locksmith Company. I'm a licensed automotive locksmith. Offer mobile service such as spare keys, key replacement for all year, make, and model. We sell keys, CAD and programming services. We do it on site and on the spot. We have trucks on the road and we covered southern Ontario from east of Kingston, Toronto GTA, west of Waterloo, and south of Fort Erie. For appointments and inquiries, you can contact us at 647-529-7926 or message us on Facebook at Legit Locksmith CA. Let us know if you have existing working key or all keys are lost in your location. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.